Many of our Not on Your Side viewers believe this DPS officer may finally face the music after his K-9 partner died in a hot patrol car. Not on Your Side finds out he will face charges. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Jennifer Waddell. Guy actually has the night off. Jeg was Officer Korey Lankow's partner, the heart and soul of their team. But Lankow left Jeg in a hot patrol car too long. Tonight, in Not on Your Side continuing coverage, Kevin Keene has new information that Lankow will face prosecution.
Yeah, Jennifer, last week, Not on Your Side discovered the officer will not face felony charges in the death of Jeg. Tonight, we learned he will face another charge. DPS Officer Korey Lankow will face one count of animal neglect in the death of Jeg, according to the Tucson City Attorney's Office. Not on Your Side asked City Attorney Mike Rankin what about this case calls for that particular single charge.
I don't want to talk about the facts of the case because that's what will be handled through the court system, but I think you're pretty familiar with the basic facts of the case, and we feel that they fit under the code provisions.
Not on Your Side looked up the city provision, which states animal neglect is when an animal does not have adequate ventilation and is not protected from temperature extremes. The offense is a Class 1 misdemeanor, punishable by a maximum $2,500 fine, up to 6 months in jail, and up to 3 years probation. But Rankin says just because jail time is possible does not mean it's always ordered if a person is found guilty.
And in cases like these, is there ever jail time?
I think it's fair to say I'd be surprised that if jail were an issue in this case.
Could one of the terms of any possible probation be that he won't be allowed to own or handle an animal?
That is one of the possible sanctions that a court could order for this particular type of charge.
The legal process is just starting, and Rankin says it will be the same for Lankow as it is for anyone else.
It doesn't matter that he happens to be a DPS officer, is that right?
That's correct. That's absolutely correct. He's got the same rights and enjoys the same constitutional and other protections as any other defendant.
We asked DPS for comment on one of its officers facing this charge. The department says it will not talk about the case until after it's complete.
And Kevin, while all of this is happening, DPS is conducting its own investigation.
Yes, an internal review. They're looking at what happened, how the officer acted, and if the department needs to make any changes to prevent this type of incident from ever happening again. But DPS says that we won't know the results until at least December.
In the meantime, I'm sure we'll be hearing from our viewers who are passionate about this story.
They're already talking about it on Facebook.
Kevin, thank you so much.